In the late 1990s, Leonardo DiCaprio was riding a tidal wave of fame after Romeo and Juliet, and Titanic turned him into a global sensation. The paparazzi followed his every move, and offers for luxury endorsements began to pour in. But amidst the chaos of stardom, Leonardo made a decision that would quietly shape his financial future. He bought his first real estate asset. While other rising stars of his era splurged on flashy cars or penthouse parties, Leonardo took a different path. His first real estate purchase was a modest Spanish-style home tucked away in the Hollywood Hills, priced at just over $700,000. A significant amount at the time. It was far from the lavish mansions one might expect for a star fresh off the success of Titanic. What drew Leonardo to this property wasn't its size or grandeur, but its tranquility and location. Nestled on a quiet street, the house offered him privacy, an essential commodity for a young actor suddenly thrust into the spotlight. Leonardo's choice wasn't impulsive. He had been quietly studying the real estate market, guided by a desire for long-term financial security. He understood that Hollywood careers, even the brightest ones, could be fleeting. Real estate, on the other hand, offered stability and growth. At the time, the Hollywood Hills neighborhood was on the cusp of transformation. It wasn't yet the celebrity enclave it is today, but Leonardo saw its potential. His decision to invest in an area poised for growth was a calculated risk that would pay off immensely in the coming years. Hasn't it paid off? The transition from tenant to homeowner wasn't without its challenges. Leonardo quickly discovered the realities of property ownership. Maintenance costs, taxes, dealing with unexpected repairs, paying all kinds of fees or duties or levies. At one point, a water leak in the home threatened to derail his carefully planned budget. But rather than let these challenges discourage him, Leonardo leaned into them. He treated home ownership like an education, learning the ropes of managing a property and understanding its financial implications. You should do that too. Living in his first home sparked something in Leonardo, a love for architecture and design. While he initially bought the house as a practical investment, he began to see its potential beyond a place to live. Inspired by its classic design, he started making thoughtful improvements, from landscaping the garden to updating the interior. Over time, he realized that real estate wasn't just a smart financial move, it was a creative outlet. He could transform spaces, adding his personal touch while increasing their value. In the early 2000s, Leo sold his first Hollywood Hills home for a tidy profit. While he could have simply enjoyed the extra cash, he reinvested it into another property, a pattern that would define his real estate strategy. With each new purchase, Leonardo aimed higher, acquiring larger and more lucrative properties. This first purchase wasn't just a financial win, it was a launch pad for a real estate portfolio that would one day include eco-friendly mansions, luxury apartments, and even a private island. Over the years, Leo expanded his portfolio, purchasing properties in prime locations such as New York, Palm Springs, and Malibu. He acquired luxury apartments and vacation homes, often with an emphasis on sustainable design. In 2014, he took his environmental commitment a step further, buying Blackador Cay, a private island off the coast of Belize. His vision to transform it into an eco-resort that blends luxury with sustainability. Though the project faced delays and logistical complications and challenges, Leo remained steadfast, proving his commitment to a greener future. Today, Leonardo DiCaprio's first real estate purchase might seem like a small step compared to the sprawling empire he's built, but it's a crucial chapter in his story, a reminder that even the grandest journeys begin with a single, deliberate move. His modest Hollywood Hills home wasn't just a place to live, it was the start of a legacy. Leo's journey shows the power of starting small and thinking long-term. His first home wasn't about making a statement, it was about laying a foundation. Now, for any one of you looking to break into real estate, his story is a beacon of inspiration. Success isn't about where you start, but how you grow. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.